You walked in wearing that tight red satin dress, hugging every curve like a sweet little confess. Every boy froze when you licked your lips slow, locked eyes with me and said, let's see how bad you wanna go. You got a way of burning me without even using your hands. You're so fine, you blow my mind. When you press up close, I lose my poor spine. So sweet, so wicked, one little grind, and I'll be yours any old time. You're so fine. Shuba, 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 shuba. We slipped outside where the moonlight dripped low.